Morning. This is a video about a camping trip. Specifically, it's a glamping trip. It's a mix of word of glorious and camping, I think. But it's a video about going out to nature and having fun with some friends. It's also a story about not giving up.
来，谢谢你们，
谢谢。
谢谢老板，
还好吧？
开箱文吗？
因为鱼很新鲜的哦，我们都是在地食材配合的，所以呢，我们就是直接用盐烤。对。
哇，看起来超好吃
Do you know what s'mores are? Because not many people around me do. It's the best snack you can possibly have when you go camping. Everything started 2.5 months ago during that camping van trip that turned out to be completely different than everything I thought that was planned. I have this travel van now. That was part of the plan, and that's the only thing that was part of the plan. Everything else is not part of the plan. There's a point where I feel like I should just pick up my bags and go back to Taipei. But if it wasn't because of that travel van trip, I would not be on this glamping trip either. And I met every single person who is on this glamping trip because I did the travel van trip. So I guess the whole message behind this is just that I'm happy with the choices I've made, and I'm also really happy with where I am right now.
悬空。
这不算悬空，误人了吧？
Glamping in Taiwan has become more and more popular since the pandemic. Like camping, it takes you a tiny step into nature, but it has everything already set up for you. You don't need to make your own fire, you don't even have to set up your own tent. You can just focus on having fun. But make sure you don't forget to bring ingredients to make s'mores.